Welcome back to our Industry Week coverage 2025. Right now I'm at Apex and I'm in the WHI Nexpart booth and I'm with Jake Olson. Jake, appreciate you letting us stop by.
Absolutely.
So we talked a little bit off camera. You have some new add-ons to your Nexpart. You want to walk us through that?
Absolutely. We're very excited to announce Nexpart Tire. So we've been working on this for about the last 2 years or so. We saw it as a gap. Obviously, you want to buy parts and tires in the same place. But the data standards are very different between tires and hard parts. So it took a long time for us. They have, with some of these different tire distributors, they have launch out, punch out catalogs type thing. We don't want to do that. Our goal is to make continue to make Nexpart a one-stop shop. And so we took the time, it took us a couple years, we built in the actual tire data into the uniform platform of Nexpart. So we don't have to jump out to a different catalog, different experience, throw different things from the cart in different places, just makes it so much easier. So as you can see here, we have the tires available. We have, I think, 77 or so now of the largest tire distributors, both nationwide, and we're only out for a couple months that we've actually had the product release, but we did a lot of work behind the scenes. So we had everything kind of set, ready for basically the customer to continue their buying experience from who they're buying it from, but just make it easier. So very excited about that. It's the biggest thing about it is Nexpart has always believed that the buyer shouldn't pay to use as a service to buy parts. So as we did with all of our other products, we made it so that the customer doesn't have to pay. So you can come get access to tires for free. Just come in and shop.
No, I love that. I mean, it's all about productivity. Spending as many years in the shop as I did, it's the ability to be able to get everything you need in one spot's fantastic. So I got to ask, what's been the feedback that you received for this?
It's been really strong. So Nexpart's been around for 20-something years. We were kind of the pioneer of the big, business-to-business platform. We stand still today as the #1 catalog aggregator in the industry. We have the largest PAPS catalog. We just cleared 20 million parts. Really excited about that. So all ACEs, fitment-based, everything you need is in our database, right, in the aftermarket. So in lieu of that then, right, we also wanted to make sure that the customer could have all of that in there. So when they come to us and they say, hey, the ease of use of this is so amazing. I don't have to go anywhere else to do what I need to do now. And it's the accuracy, the catalog data, it is critical because, in fact, I had some feedback specifically about another product, and they said, well, when I use that one, I don't see the parts, but when I come to Nexpart, I see them. I says, because we publish our catalog data every 2 months or every 2 weeks. So it's the freshest, most accurate catalog in the business. So it's a big deal, not to go too far into that, but that's what makes it such a good buying experience. The other big things is that same screen, right? It's a big deal because you were in the business, right? You typically buy from your first supplier, right? 70% of the time, whatever it is. I don't want to have to change that, but I also want everything else right there if he doesn't have it or she doesn't have it, right? So I can just quickly scroll down. You can set it so you can see only with the stock that's on hand. So if my first guy doesn't have it, boom, 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 oh, there it is. And even if not, if I don't put them in the sort, we still have them set up other places so you can still see the inventory. So we're trying to make the processes possible, and it's been very, very positive. So it's been a great program for us. We've really enjoyed it.
So sounds like it. I'm going to ask, what really has been the driving force behind developing this, and do you have anything else that you're adding to it or planning on adding to it in the future?
Let's see. It's not what we're doing, it's how much of it I can tell you.
I get it.
What I can say. It's all we think about. It's literally all we think about is improving the buyer experience. And so there's 2 real main focuses right now, I guess I could say. One of them is AI, which is a weird thing in an industry that's so hard part and connected, right? And the data is proprietary, and you have all these different things and rules. But what we found is that, like, if you go and look at our catalog, 20 million parts. Well, if you put them on a little piece of paper and run them like this, that's like 3 miles of little line codes, right? So it takes 10 people to go through all that. We can send an AI bot in there and have it basically do analysis for us on 20 million parts. Now we've started to build in better content, better categorization. So we already have the best and most accurate. It's getting better and better through that. So that's a big piece of it. And then that's just scratching the surface too. There's so many other places where we think about we do it, but we are very cautious. We do $5 billion a year. We have every single major buying group that's out there on our platform, so we can't just go and willy-nilly throw stuff into our stack. So working hard on that. Then the last thing is, again, buyer experience. So return processing coming up. We're working on some ship tracking and shipping support. Seller chat, so the customer can actually ask questions while they're on Nexpart, but directly to their distributor. So a lot of things just to make life easier and better. And the bottom line is we do want to be the one-stop shop. You can get OE, heavy duty, you can get on-application parts, you can get shop supplies, you can get tires and hard parts. Not much else you need to run a shop. So we want to invite people to come experience that, knowing that they can come here for free, buy the stuff they need. We connect with 50 different shop systems out there. Basically every major shop system is connected to Nexpart. So give us a try. It's been a really good program for us, and the growth has been kind of what's shown us that people like it, because we used to activate 2 to 4 people even months after we released this. Now we're activating 1,500 a month. So it's grown considerably, and honestly, we just want to continue to make life for the customer better, and this is the best way we want to do it.
Yeah, no, that's awesome. I mean, that's the name of the game, right? Efficiency and ease of use. So, Jake, really appreciate your time today.
Been a pleasure. Thanks so much.
Take care.